So I'm back making some Gaeilge grammar videos and just content in general. So today we are going to look at prepositions, isolating two of them and showing how you can use them and certain structures that you would use along with these prepositions, the Réamhfhocail. So the first Réamhfhocail we have here is meaning on. And the second one we have here is egg, meaning at. And you can see the two pictures on dá picture shot. This picture here of gruaig, meaning hair. So if you're saying you have brown hair, you've got long hair, you've got short hair, you would use the preposition air. And we're going to see how we're going to do that in a minute. If you have brown eyes or blue eyes, you would use the preposition egg at the end. So we're going to look at that in a second. So air for hair, egg when we're talking about our eyes. Okay, so here are some examples. So tá gruaig fhada orm. Tá gruaig fhada orm. I've got long hair. You might notice that in Irish we don't have a specific verb to say I have, to have. Okay? Tá gruaig fhada orm. What's this orm? Well, it's actually a prepositional pronoun. So what we call a prepositional pronoun is a mixture between a pronoun and a preposition. So the preposition we have here is and may together, put together. And may. So tá gruaig fhada orm. Literally there is long hair upon me, on me. I have long hair. I have long hair. Tá súile, donna, agam. Same principle here with the egg and the may at the end, the prepositional pronoun. Tá súile, donna, agam. I've got brown eyes. So you're using with hair and egg with eyes, as I said. So tá súile, donna, agam. Okay, so as I said, when we want to say I have something, we're going to use the verb to be at the start. So here we have it in the present tense. Tá car agam. Tá car agam. I have a car. So we see the verb to be, we have the agam or the noun, and we have the prepositional pronoun at the end. So literally there's a car at me. I have a car. Tá car agam. We can also use with sickness or like you're ill. So here we have a tinneas is a headache. Tá tinneas orm. I have a headache. Literally, tinneas is like an illness, sore, like you've a illness of the head or a soreness of the head. Tá tinneas orm. I have a headache. Tá tinneas orm. So any other ways to describe you're sick? Maybe you've got the flu. Tá fliú orm. Tá slaidan orm. I've got a cold. Anything like that. Okay, so really looking at the structure to have. That's what we're looking at with these two prepositions. Some other simple examples we have here. Tá páistí agam. I have children. Tá páistí agam. I have children. Tá áthas orm. I'm happy, or they're like I'm glad, I'm happy about something. So we actually in Irish we say that our mhócán, our emotions, our feelings are on us. So we have this is áthas is actually a noun. Is the noun of like gladness or happiness. Tá áthas orm. I'm happy or I'm glad. Máta si begúra níos mó Gaeilge ólam, leannaigh me ar na man ho síalta, agus fecha me sa Gaeilge sin eile si ba chairde, slán go fólaí.